Today I want to show you how to build your own themes in WordPress. So first you need to turn on your local development environment. I'm going to use local by Flywheel, and you can use anything that you really want. So I'm going to turn on my site, start my site here, and I have to wait a little bit and it will run. And after that, just go ahead and open the folders that include your website files. So I'm going to just click this button, go to site folder, and it will open the site folder for me. Now, inside here, we want to go to app, and then public, and then WP content, and then themes. Here you can see all your themes. There should be 3 default themes here, but I already uninstalled them, deleted them. But we want to build another new theme anyways, so we don't really care about that much. So the only thing you need to do is to make a folder here and name it whatever you want. So I'm going to name it test-theme. You cannot use spaces here, and you have to use dashes. So in this folder, we are going to have 2 files. The first one is a file called index.php, which will include the main contents of our main page of the website. And then another file called style.css. And that's it. We only need these 2 files. So after that, you can go in your open your website inside of your WordPress admin dashboard, I mean. Now after that, just go to your appearance tab and into the themes tab. Here we can see our test theme. But if you want to include a image for your theme, you can also do it by adding a file called a screenshot PNG into this folder. But I'm not going to do that. You can do it yourself and test it. Now, if you want to change your theme details, which are the information shown here, for example, the name of your theme, the version of your theme, and the author, you can do it by putting a comment in your CSS file over in this folder. So just go ahead and open this file in your favorite text editor. I'm going to use VS Code here. Now I'm going to put a comment here. So in order to put a comment in a CSS file, you're going to use forward slash and an asterisk, and then an asterisk and another forward slash. Now I'm going to come down here, and here you should write author like this, and I'm going to put my name on it, for example Fito, and then after that name, I'm going to name it test theme. Now in this you can actually use spaces or uppercase characters, but for the folder name you couldn't do that. And then the version, I'm going to add it, for example 1.0 or something like that. Now if I save this file and close it, actually for the name you should write theme name instead of name, and that will work. Now if you check your check your themes tab in your website and refresh, you can see the name here and also version 1.0 and also the author by Fito. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you in the next one.